I'm a LEVO partner, and LEVO sent me this bundle to test and share my honest opinion. I've been using it for a couple months now, several times a week, and I honestly love it. When I first got my LEVO 2 Plus, I thought I'd mostly use it for infused oils and butter. I knew I wanted to experiment with infused maple syrup, but I never expected to come up with so many incredible flavor combinations. And honestly, this changed how I use my LEVO. I've been making maple syrup here on my homestead for years, and usually it ends up on pancakes or waffles. This time, I wanted to see if I could turn it into something completely different. So today, I'm making a maple vanilla toasted coconut syrup using 2 cups of my homemade maple syrup, 2 split vanilla beans, and a little toasted coconut flavoring. Everything goes right into the LEVO. For this recipe, I used the infused cycle at 165 degrees for 2 hours. Then, I walked away. And honestly, that's my favorite part. I didn't realize it could be this easy. When I used to infuse things on the stove, I had to stand there watching temperatures, stirring, and making sure I didn't squash anything. With the LEVO, I don't have to babysit it. I can go work in the garden, take care of the animals, answer emails, or work on another project while it's doing all the work. LEVO makes this way easier at home. Now comes my favorite part, watching the finished syrup dispense directly into the mason jar. I don't know what it is about this part, but it's so satisfying. No straining, no sticky funnels, no sticky hands, no trying to pour hot syrup without making a mess. Just press the dispense button and it fills the jar, mess-free. Cleanup is just as easy. I wash the removable parts, dry them, and I'm ready for the next infusion. No sticky stovetop, no syrup baked into a saucepan, no pile of dishes waiting for me afterwards. Once the syrup was finished, I used it to make a tropical Piña Colada Lemonade mocktail. Then I added a little LÄVO Infusion Shimmer. This stuff is really fun. It's an edible, food-safe, iridescent shimmer that's completely tasteless, so it doesn't change the flavor at all. It just gives drinks this beautiful suspended shimmer that catches the light. You can also use it in chocolates, candies, gummies, infused butter, and so much more. And a little really does go a long way. Seeing those swirls in the finished drink makes it feel just a little extra special. If you've been curious about making your own infused syrups, it's actually super simple. I honestly didn't expect to use my LEVO this often, but it's become one of those appliances that just stays on my countertop because I'm constantly thinking of something new to make. I used to think infusing meant standing over the stove. Now, I don't know why I do it that way anymore. If you're still doing it the old way, you're probably spending a lot more time than you need to. If you'd like to learn more about the LEVO 2 Plus, I'll put my affiliate link in the comments below. Now, let's make a Piña Colada Lemonade mocktail and see how it tastes. What we have here is the maple vanilla coconut syrup that I made using my LEVO this afternoon. And it is made using my own homemade maple syrup. Inside of the shaker, I have already put a half a cup of pineapple juice and a half of a cup of real lemon juice in there. I'm going to add in a half a cup of sparkling water, so we have a little bit of fizz. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of the sweetener that I made. So no sugar in this. The maple syrup is the actual sweetener. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ice to this, and I'm going to shake it up. So I put the ice inside of this. I'm going to put the lid on. Make sure that's on really good. And I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake. Now I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to take a lemon and I'm just going to run it around the rim of this glass like that. Now I'm just going to work on rimming this glass, which may take a moment. I have finishing sugar in a sweet lemon and of course coconut in here. May need to add just a little bit more of the lemon, but we'll see. Yeah, I think I want to add just a little bit more lemon. It doesn't have to be perfect, just whatever you're happy with. I'm going to come squeeze a little bit more lemon right there. Put that down right away. Sometimes you have to just work the glass and rim it, especially if you don't want to make a big bowl that you can rim with. I think that will be good enough for this. I'm going to shake this up again, make sure that lid's on good. And then I am going to pour. That looks so good. So good. I'm going to put a maraschino cherry and a pineapple, a couple pineapple wedges up here that I have rolled in the coconut, just to make the drink look a little bit fancier than it is. And there we have it. A beautiful mocktail that is perfect for summer entertaining, garden parties, whatever it is that you might want to do. Can't wait to try this. And just to finish your drink off and make it extra special, don't forget to add in the LÄVO Infusion Shimmer. Let me show you what this does. Look how beautiful and shiny and shimmery that is. So I'm going to take a little bit and I'm just going to add a little bit to the top of this drink. Let's see what that does. We will stir it in. Oh, look at that. I can definitely tell that we are getting a shimmer on that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, there we go. Can you see how beautiful that shimmer is? This is a game changer. This is going to elevate your summer drinks and your parties just with a little bit of that shimmer. It didn't take a whole lot, guys. Still have quite a bit left. Look at that. Again, this is the LÄVO Infusion Shimmer.